According to Harvard research, your diet is one of the biggest factors that determine your strength. So today, I'll be going over some of the most powerful foods that you can eat to turn you into a rock-hard super stallion. Some are ancient remedies, others are newly discovered, but all of them are proven to work. Now, in case you don't know me, I'm a former research chemist who spent years studying how to improve my bedroom performance. But I'm not just some theorist. I used what I learned to actually become an award-winning, and today I'm going to show you what actually works. The first food off the ranks is watermelon. Out of all the foods in the world, watermelon has the highest concentration of L-citrulline. No other food comes close. And this is important because L-citrulline has been shown to play a key role in nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is what causes our blood vessels to relax, to dilate, and allow blood to flow into your old boy downstairs, and thus forming a stiffy. Without nitric oxide, things like Viagra wouldn't even work, because what Viagra does is it actually amplifies the effects of nitric oxide. But you need nitric oxide in the first place for it to even work. Food number 2 is pumpkin seeds. Now, pumpkin seeds are a great source of L-arginine. And just like L-citrulline, L-arginine plays a very similar role in terms of producing nitric oxide. L-citrulline is the precursor that your body then turns into L-arginine. But here's where it gets interesting. A 2017 study by Takashi Suzuki et al. Looked into the combined effects of consuming L-arginine and L-citrulline together. And they found that taking both of them at the same time produced significantly more nitric oxide than consuming just one of them, as you can see in this graph over here. In other words, you're better off consuming 1 gram of each instead of consuming 2 grams of just one. Food number 3 is natto, and it is the richest source of vitamin K2 in the world, in particular the MK7 variant, which is the strongest form of vitamin K2. And vitamin K2 is well known for preventing plaque buildup in our arteries, which is actually the leading cause of erectile dysfunction. Not surprising, considering heart disease is also the leading cause of death, because the same plaque that clogs the arteries in your heart is the same plaque that clogs arteries in your dick and reduces the blood flow there. A 2021 study by the American Heart Association found that men who take vitamin K2 are 21% less likely to be hospitalized from clogged arteries. But that's not all. Natto is also rich in nattokinase, which is known as a natural blood thinner because it dissolves blood clots and it improves circulation. Natto is actually a staple food in Japan, and the average Japanese person consumes about 50 grams every 1 to 2 weeks, which is a big reason why almost no one dies of heart disease in Japan, and the average lifespan is 9 years longer than America. Number 4, horny goatweed. This is a great source of a thing called icarin. This herb has been used in ancient Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years. The original name is Yin Yang Ho, which literally translates to plant of the aroused goat. The name came about because Chinese farmers noticed their goats becoming extremely horny after eating this plant. And it turns out it works for humans as well. In a double-blind clinical controlled trial, 25 men were given horny goatweed for at least 45 days. All of them reported experiencing greater sexual satisfaction and improved sexual performance. Number 5, beetroot. Beetroot is a great source of nitrates. Now, nitrates are the essential building blocks that your body needs to produce nitric oxide. And again, nitric oxide is what causes our blood vessels to relax and to dilate and then fill up with blood. It's what allows your penis to fill up with blood and give you a strong erection. So it's super important you're consuming enough nitrates, as it's the raw material to make that nitric oxide. It's the flour to make bread. Number 6 is pomegranate. Pomegranate is known to aid in nitric oxide production, and it's also a minor source of nitrates. A 2012 study by Kruger et al. At the Department of Urology, University of California, showed that pomegranate extract supports nitric oxide bioavailability, healthy blood flow, and male sexual performance. In other words, it supports healthy arteries, which help in the production and preservation of nitric oxide. Number 7, horse chestnut. Now, this is a great source of a compound called essin, which has been used historically to this day to treat things like varicose veins. And varicose veins are the result of the valves in our blood vessels not working properly, which then causes blood to flow in both directions instead of being trapped in just one direction. And it also causes it to pool up on the skin. And the same thing can actually happen to the blood vessels in your penis. When the valves aren't working properly, it's hard to sustain an erection, especially in certain sex positions like when you're lying on your back. And this is known as a thing called venous leakage. and that is another big cause of erectile dysfunction in men. And the essin that's inside horse chestnut helps restore those valves to lock that blood into your penis so you stay hard. A 2015 study at the University of Medical Sciences in Poland showed that horse chestnut extract supports healthy blood vessels and healthy blood flow. Number 8 is saffron. A 2022 study in the Journal of Herbal Medicine found saffron to be a safe and effective option to help treat erectile dysfunction. This herb has been used for hundreds of years in traditional Persian, Ayurvedic, and Chinese medicine to treat erections and low sex drive. And it does so by stimulating the body to produce more nitric oxide and lower your stress levels. Number 9, Tongkat Ali. This is one of the most well-studied herbs for increasing testosterone in men, with one 2013 study even showing it increased testosterone in men by as much as 37%. And testosterone is directly tied to your sex drive. So if you have high testosterone and sex drive, it's much easier to get aroused and thus get and maintain an erection. And this herb has a very long history of being used to increase sex drive in places like Southeast Asia. Now, while all these foods and ingredients are fantastic, taking them individually on a consistent basis can be a bit of a pain and quite costly. I know because I've tried it myself, which is why I put all of these ingredients into one powerful supplement. We call it Wood Max. Every ingredient on this list, and others I haven't even mentioned in this video, are in this supplement, in the exact doses you need to get strong, reliable erections. It's an improvement from our old formula, Wood, which is currently the most popular selling product for Clubhouse supplements. If you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description down below. And we've taken all of the feedback we've got from our customers over the last 2 years on our Wood formula, and we've dialed in on the science of what works to maintain strong erections. And that's where we came up with the improved formula for Wood Max. So if you're interested, check it out. It's in the links down below, and I'll see you in the next one.